Hello, my arcade stick that I ordered just came in for the PlayStation 1. So here we go, Amazon. Okay. Okay. And this is it right here. As I guess Asciiware specialized joystick for the original PlayStation, the PS1. This is supposed to be a mint condition item, the box and everything. And exactly. Out. Even as the Medellin card. I don't even know that company even still around or if they've been absorbed by something else. But yeah, here it is. Here it is. Right there. Yeah. Nice stick. Solidly built. So this is it. It's the PlayStation 1 arcade stick. I give you impressions and a review on it. I have Street Fighter Alpha 3 for the PlayStation and Marvel Superheroes vs. Street Fighter on the PlayStation. Yes, I know the PlayStation version of the Marvel Superheroes is a compromised version. It doesn't have all of the gameplay elements, but still has the beautiful animation and the fighting is still fun. So, all right, there you go, and I'll talk to you guys later.